Hello everyone, I'm Pooja and you're watching Stay Charming. In today's video, I'm going to create this bun hairstyle along with twist. This is super easy and super quick. You can recreate it in less than a minute. So without talking too much, let's get started. Thank you so much for watching this video guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you really liked this hairstyle, don't forget to press the like button. It means a lot to me. Become part of this charming family by subscribing to this channel. Also don't forget to hit the bell button to get the notification of future videos. Thank you so much for today. I'll meet you in next video. Till then, stay happy, stay charming. Bye bye, take care.